Okay, it's January and we got the new year energy, maybe some leftover holiday treats, and a list of big plans you want to tackle. But let's be completely honest. How many times have you made a goal that looked amazing on paper but crashed and burned by February? I promise you, it is not you. It's the way that the goal was set up. Today, we're tackling how to set up goals that actually stick, the kind that you still care about in March, not just the ones that you put on a vision board and forget. And no fluff here. I'm giving you the real steps that you can take right now.
Hey, I'm Veronica De Polo, and with more than 15 years being a marketing strategist, are you ready for actionable bite-sized episodes about business advice on marketing, branding, and messaging to take your business to the next level? If you're a service business owner, we'll show you how to attract qualified leads on social media and beyond. We'll reveal the art of showcasing your brand effectively and will uncover the best strategies to hook your audience so they keep coming for more. Say goodbye to outdated marketing strategies and embrace the power of change. Welcome to the Branding Momentum Podcast.
So here's what happens every year. January rolls around and suddenly everyone's obsessed with being productive, organized, and perfect. And you've got the planners, you got the apps, you have the color-coded calendars, and 2 weeks later, life happens. I know. Goals are shoved into a drawer. Then you're left wondering, was that even worth it? So let's flip that script. What if this year your goals were so simple and doable that you actually look forward working on them? I know. It sounds dreamy, right? And let's make it real. I want you to shrink your dreams. First off, forget the giant and overwhelming goals. If your brain is screaming, this is too much, you're already halfway of giving up. Instead of shrinking it down, for example, instead of saying to yourself, I want to grow my business by 50%, why don't you start with, I want 5 new clients by March? It is lighter, right? It sounds more doable and tangible, right? Big dreams are great, but small goals get you moving. Now, let's break it like a boss because this is how we do it here. So big goals fall apart because they're too vague. You want more clients? Cool. But how? Break it down into micro actions. If you don't have any of this, I want you to listen up. Create a lead magnet. Post consistently 3 times a week. Follow up on old clients. These are bite-sized steps that you can actually do without feeling like the world is on your shoulders. Quick question. Do you feel like marketing your business takes way too much time? Like between creating content and figuring out what to say and actually running your business, something's always falling through the cracks. Well, I've got you covered. I've created 3 bundles designed to take the guesswork out of your marketing. These aren't just, random templates. They're tools. Scratch that. They're strategies to help you get organized, attract potential clients, and actually feel in control of your business. Whether you're focused on Instagram, email marketing, or creating offers that sell, there's a bundle for you. Think of them as your business BFFs. Always ready when you need them, no overthinking required. So head to the description now to check them out, grab what you need, and start the year off right. You've got this, my friend. Now, I want you to think about rewards, progress, not perfection. And let's forget, and stop all the all or nothing vibe, that self-talk that we sometimes say to ourselves. Maybe you get halfway through your goals this week, and guess what? That's still halfway further than you were before. So progress is the goal, not the perfection. Now, let me tell you a quick story. A couple of years ago, I set this ridiculous goal to launch something completely new by February. Did I launch? No. But you know what? What I actually did do, I figured out exactly what wasn't working in my progress. That failure became the blueprint for what's working for me right now. So yeah, this didn't hit the mark. I didn't actually hit the mark, but I made progress. And that's what actually really counts. So here's your action steps for the week. Pick one goal, just one, and write it down. And then break it into 3 tiny steps that you can actually do this week. If you're feeling brave, send me a DM or an email with what you're actually working on, because I would really love to hear it. All right, that's it for today. Remember, this year isn't about perfect plans. It is about the real, the doable steps that keep you moving forward. Okay, I'll see you same time, same place next week. Bye.